Hey friends, this is Atif Opier Val and welcome to the new update on Theta. As in my earlier video that I was showing you that after the breakout from a down channel, and this was the channel by the way, and right now we are watching on the 7 days time frame chart. And after the breakout from this channel, the price then broke out this long-term resistance line that starts from $2.20 and goes to $2.55. Previously, this resistance line had been breaking as a very strong resistance line here for several weeks. And here for 2 or 3 weeks, it had been breaking as support as well. And before that, it had been breaking as a very strong support zone here, and resistance zone here. And this time, after the breakout, the price and again dropped down and retested the previous resistance. And still, it is retesting the previous resistance zone as a support zone. We had a long spike here, the downside, approximately up to $1.74. And if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, you can see that we had one and two candlesticks close below this support. And now the price line is dramatically recovered back and moved inside this support zone. And now there is a probability that soon we may see another attempt for the breakout of this resistance of $2.55. However, you can see that recently it has started forming low lows and lower highs. Like it formed this high here and formed this low here, and the next high is formed lower than the previous one, and now it has formed another lower than previous low. And if the price then will be not able to break out this resistance of $2.55, then there will be a probability that the price then may have another rejection and it may form another lower than previous low. Now, if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, and after this spike and this spike, the price then has confirmed another quite long-term support. If I place a trend line here, by the way, this support is approximately at $1.71. That was previously working as a resistance here, support here, and now again almost worked as a support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this big and long-term down channel as well. And I would also like to share with you a quite long-term trade signal for Theta that I shared on 29th of May 2022 with my members. And this signal was quite long term because this move was formed on a monthly time frame chart. Therefore, this move is still in play. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for NEIRO, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 25th of November 2024. And here you can also want the complete trade signal as well, like this was the buying zone and sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let's move to the long-term trade signal for Theta that I shared on 29th of May 2022 with my members. By the way, there are two very long-term trade setups. One was this one, a very big garlic pattern that I shared with my members, and I've been sharing this move in my previous several videos with you as well. And another one was this huge breakout from this big and long-term down channel on the 7 days time frame chart. First, we will discuss this move. That is a Fibonacci-based move. And that is a very big harmonic bullish reversal garlic pattern. And you can see when I shared this signal, at that time it was moving at $1.14. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price and is slightly geared up. So far, it has pumped here at $1 and $3.82. And here again, it is pumped at $3.35. By the way, the sell targets that I've defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this bullish candle pattern start from 8.18 and goes to $13.21. Now let's move to the live 7 days time frame chart. And here you can see that we have recently broken out this channel. After the breakout, we had a nice rally. By the way, the target that I was telling you for this breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel, approximately at $3.80. And you can see that so far the price and has rallied up to $3.35. So we are about to hit that target. But right now, during this rally, we broke out this resistance zone, and now we are retesting the previous resistance zone as support zone. But if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that few candlesticks broke down this support, and now it is recovered back. But still, on this daily time frame chart, it is forming lower lows and lower highs. And for example, if this time, despite it has entered this very strong support zone, but if it will be rejected by this upper support of this support zone, that is approximately right here, $2.55. Then it can again, after this rejection, drop down and form. It can form another lower than previous. So like this forming every time it formed this low here, and this low here, and the next low can be lower than the previous one. And in that situation, it can also break down this support of $1.71 as well. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that it has confirmed this support of $1.71 after this spike. And this time, by the way, the price went very close to the support, but did not hit this support. Previously, it had been breaking as a resistance here and support here and resistance here as well. Therefore, it can again work as a firm support for the price line of Theta. And now if we take a look at the upcoming resistance, that is by the way here at $4.50. And I'm expecting that if the price then reaches here to hit the target for the breakout from this channel that is here at $3.80, then it can soon also hit this resistance of $4.50 as well. That was previously breaking as a resistance here, and support here. And this time again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of Theta. Now, if we take a look at the technical target for the breakout from this big and long-term down channel, that move is still due. Previously, I was discussing this target as per the Fibonacci sequence from $8.18 to $13.21, and now we are going to watch the target as per the breakout from this big and long-term down channel. And the target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel. That can be somewhere between $15 to $20. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.